Hey guys, welcome to Belly Over Mind with me, Baby Menon. Mangalore buns or banana buns is a popular breakfast or tea time snack in the coastal region of Karnataka. The buns are mild sweet, soft fluffy puris made using whole wheat flour or all-purpose flour and slightly overripe bananas. These puffed, deep-fried delights are a popular tea time snack in Udupi and Mangalore, where they are also called buns because of the spongy and fluffy texture that is similar to bread. A sprinkling of cumin seeds, that's jeera, gives a break from the sweet flavor, making it a delightful tea time snack. I know if you haven't been familiar with the dish and if you're trying it for the first time, you would think how a sweet bun would taste good with a spicy chutney or curry, but believe me, it does taste amazing. The mild sweetness from banana when paired with spicy chutney tastes just so delicious. Preparation time 5 minutes, cook time 10 minutes, resting time at least 4 hours or overnight. Total time 15 minutes. Cuisine Indian, that's Mangalorean dish. Now let's take a quick look at the ingredients. 1 cup whole wheat flour or all-purpose flour, that's maida. 2 tablespoon curd, 2 tablespoon sugar, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, a pinch of baking soda, quarter teaspoon salt, 1 ripened banana, and oil for deep frying. Let's get cooking. In a medium bowl, use a potato masher or a fork or make use of your hands to mash the banana well. Add sugar, add the whole wheat flour, cumin, salt, baking soda, stir to combine. Now add curd, the dough should be soft and pliable after all the flour has been added. And water little by little to prepare a soft dough of chapati consistency. And cover the dough with a bowl or a plate or a plastic wrap and place it in a warm place for at least 4 hours or ideally overnight in the refrigerator. When ready to prepare the Mangalore buns, roll out each ball into the shape of thick puris using a rolling pin. Meanwhile, heat oil in a kadhai for deep frying. When oil is nice and warm, slide the rolled Mangalore buns one at a time, frying them gently over medium heat until golden on both the sides. Remove the Mangalore buns with a slotted spoon and place them on an absorbent paper to drain excess oil. The hot, beautifully puffed golden brown Mangalore buns are a treat on its own. In spite of deep frying, they are not oily at all. It's anyway best to plan ahead when making these buns, as fermentation process involved in the making of these buns takes time. And it helps in giving them a different texture from the normal puris. Serve these with hot tea or coffee for an energizing evening treat. Do try out the simple breakfast recipe and let us know by comments how it turned out for you. Thanks for stopping by. If you liked this video, do give it a big thumbs up and consider subscribing to Belly Over Mind if you are not yet subscribed in order to be updated on the latest posts. I will be posting new, easy and exciting recipes day after day. Do say hello on other social media networks, Instagram, blog, Facebook page and Twitter. Happy cooking guys. Stay home and stay safe.